We're taking a look live inside of Clark County Superior Court, where we are on day 3 of the cold case murder trial, the case of the killing of 23-year-old Tara Baker, who was in her first year at the University of Georgia's law school. She was killed in 2001. The case went cold for several decades, more than 20 years. Now the case has finally seen the inside of a courtroom. A defendant has been charged. A jury is hearing evidence as we speak. Marissa Sarbak joining us now. Marissa, you've been following the ins and outs of this case all week long. Bring us up to speed on the very latest here.
Well, so today we're still hearing from some of the prosecution's witnesses. This morning we started with fire experts, and then we moved into some of the neighbors that were in the area at the time. One really interesting testimony today that we heard from actually wasn't somebody who lived in the area, but she was a tow truck driver. She worked with her husband for a tow truck company. They were in the area, happened to be in the area picking up a car during that time. And we actually have the audio from court, so if we can, I want to play her testimony for you.
Got there at 8:15, you stayed in the truck. What did you see after that?
While he was loading the car, I saw a black male walk from the road that connects right in front of it. He was probably in his late teens, early 20s. And he just walked past the wrecker and kind of looked at the wrecker and just kept walking.
So he come out the street that was just down below you.
Yeah, across.
He come out that street and walked towards you and then past the wrecker.
And past the wrecker.
Did you see where he went to after that?
No. I just watched him until I could see him anymore in the minute. Because I didn't know whether he was going to get the money or something.
What brought his attention to you?
Well, he was walking by himself, and it was about 8:20, somewhere like that in the morning, and it just looked odd in the neighborhood.
So what you're listening to right there is her listening to the audio recording from her original interview back in 2001. This is the sketch also that was put up, drawn after she gave her testimony drawn after she spoke to the detectives in this case back in 2001. So prosecutors are trying to refresh her memory, Zach, of what this sketch was, the interview that she gave to detectives at the time, and they brought her back on the stand to listen to that with the jury and then answer some questions. And then you're looking at the cross-examination there on the screen as well.
And you're seeing the defense up there. We're just seeing the defense up there now holding up that police sketch. What has stood out to you so far today, either in that testimony or in the defense's cross-examination here? Because this is a case, like any case, the state and the defense are going to present very different versions of how they see things playing out.
Right, and especially after they brought that sketch out, and the prosecution had other witnesses after that also gave similar testimony, and they replayed audio back from 2001 that were talking about similar situations where another neighbor said the same exact thing to the cops. I saw a young black man, about late teens, early 20s, dressed in the same exact orange hoodie jacket, and said that she saw the same thing. So in that, they're replaying these audio clips from 2001 for the jurors. And so that's something that's really stuck out to me, is that it's been similar testimony. As for the defense, they still go back to there's no direct evidence. They've said there's no fingerprints from the scene. There's no eyewitnesses, anything like that. Like all of this, they're just saying that this is just no direct evidence, but circumstantial evidence.
And Marissa, I know you're going to stay on top of this trial as we continue to track it live throughout the day. Marissa, thank you very much.